Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the FX MAH Reversals Indicator for MT4. This version plots two sharp horizontally stepping lines that track price action, helping you see where the tool expects potential breaks and reversals. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. On the main chart, the FX MAH Reversals Indicator draws a green line and a red line, both moving in a zigzag stair-step fashion as the market evolves. At times, price will break to the upside through the two lines, visually signaling that buyers are pushing beyond the recent upper guide. At other times, price will break to the downside, signaling that sellers are taking control below the lower guide. As these lines adjust and we step horizontally with new swings, they create a dynamic channel that shows where price is rotating and where potential reversal or breakout behavior is unfolding. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. Alright, so the MA parameter sets the primary moving average basis that shapes one side of the channel. SecondMA controls the secondary moving average that defines the other side. So the distance and behavior between the green and red lines depends on the interaction of these two MA settings. Mode determines how the moving averages are calculated or applied. For example, how the logic switches between using MA and SecondMA, which affects how sharply the lines react to new highs and lows. VarPeriods adjust the variable period used in the internal calculations, tuning how sensitive or smooth the zigzagging horizontal steps are as they follow price. As for who is for, this version of FX MAH reversals suits traders who prefer a simple on-chart channel defined by two adaptive lines rather than arrows or sub-window signals. Because the lines are built for moving average logic, they will sometimes react late to sudden spikes, can hug price closely in volatile conditions, and will not correctly predict every break. They should therefore be used as a visual guide to possible reversals or breakouts alongside your own price action reading level analysis and tight risk management rules instead of as an automatic entry system. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the FX MAH Reversals Indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.